Let's get straight into it. 1994 Ford F250. She's got the 7.3 liter turbo diesel backed by a 4-speed automatic. She'll be a nice work truck. She got solid frame and floor pans. Tailgate. I'm not sure what this contraption does, but it's used for something. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Interior. Headliner. We'll see the miles on startup. Upper dash. Lower. As you can see, she is 4-wheel drive. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 7.3 liter turbo diesel backed by a 4-speed automatic. Let's start her up. Make sure y'all go over and visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information is going to be in the description below. Gotta love the way a diesel sound. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.